Hey, quick question for you. Picture this, you're splitting the bill for dinner, your friend's in a rush, they say, just Zelle me. You pull out your phone, ready to go, and then, you remember. You bank with Relay. And suddenly, that simple Zelle me request feels like a major hurdle. So, can you Zelle with Relay Bank? That's what we're diving into today, because let's be honest, in our fast-paced, digital-first world, instant money transfers aren't a luxury, they're practically a necessity. And if you're running a business, those quick transactions can make or break your cash flow. Now, before we get into the specifics of Relay Bank and Zelle, let's take a step back and talk about why this whole Zelle thing is such a big deal. We're talking about a peer-to-peer payment network that's become synonymous with speed and convenience. Forget writing checks, forget waiting days for transfers to clear. Zelle promises near-instant money movement, right from your banking app. It's that seamlessness that's made it a household name, and a go-to for everything from splitting rent to paying for services. But here's the thing, Zelle isn't a standalone app. It's integrated into the banking apps of participating institutions. And that's where the question of Relay Bank comes in. Relay is a digital bank designed specifically for small businesses. They offer a suite of tools to help entrepreneurs manage their finances, from multiple checking accounts to debit cards and integrations with popular accounting software. They're all about streamlining your business's financial operations. But in a world where Zelle is king, the question becomes, does Relay fit into that picture? So, why does this matter so much for small business owners? Let's break it down. Imagine you're a freelancer who needs to get paid quickly to cover an unexpected expense. Or a small business owner who needs to pay a contractor on the spot for a rush job. Delays in payment can lead to missed opportunities, strained relationships, and even cash flow problems. That's where Zelle's promise of instant transfers becomes incredibly valuable. Now, let's get down to brass tacks, the million-dollar question, can you Zelle with Relay Bank? The short answer, as of right now, is no. Relay Bank does not directly integrate with the Zelle network. That's because Zelle requires a direct integration with a financial institution's core banking system, and Relay, while a powerful digital banking platform, operates differently. But hold on, before you throw your hands up in frustration, let's explore some alternatives. Because just because Relay doesn't have Zelle doesn't mean you're stuck in the Stone Age of money transfers. In fact, Relay offers several features that can help you achieve similar results, and in some cases, even provide advantages. First, let's talk about Relay's internal transfer capabilities. Relay allows you to move money between your different Relay accounts instantly. If you're managing multiple projects or operating different aspects of your business, this can be incredibly useful. You can quickly allocate funds, pay contractors from specific project accounts, and keep your finances organized. Then, there's Relay's ACH, Automated Clearinghouse, transfer system. While ACH transfers aren't as instantaneous as Zelle, they're still a reliable and cost-effective way to move money. Relay offers fast ACH transfers, often completing within 1 to 2 business days. This is great for paying vendors, contractors, or even receiving payments from clients. And let's not forget about Relay's debit card. With a Relay debit card, you can make purchases online or in person, and even withdraw cash from ATMs. While it's not a direct transfer, it can be a quick way to access funds when you need them. Now, you might be thinking, those are all great, but they're not Zelle. And you're right. But let's consider the bigger picture. Zelle is fantastic for peer-to-peer transfers, but for business transactions, you might need more robust features. Relay's focus on business banking means they offer tools that Zelle simply doesn't. For example, Relay's multiple checking accounts allow you to separate your operating expenses, payroll, and savings. This level of organization can be crucial for managing your business's finances. Relay also integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, making it easier to track your income and expenses. Another key point to consider is security. Zelle, while convenient, has been the target of scams and fraud. Relay, as a business-focused bank, prioritizes security and offers features like two-factor authentication and fraud monitoring. So, while you can't Zelle directly with Relay, you're not left high and dry. You have alternative methods for moving money, and you gain access to a suite of business-centric features that can actually improve your overall financial management. Now, let's talk about the future. The digital banking landscape is constantly evolving. It's possible that Relay could integrate with Zelle in the future. Or, they might develop their own instant transfer system. The key is to stay informed and adapt to the changing technology. In the meantime, what can you do? First, communicate with your clients and vendors. Let them know that you use Relay and discuss alternative payment methods. You can also explore other payment apps that integrate with Relay, like PayPal or Venmo, if you need to facilitate faster transactions. Remember, the goal is to find solutions that work for your business. Don't let the lack of Zelle hold you back. Relay offers a powerful platform with a range of tools that can help you manage your finances efficiently. And here's a crucial takeaway: don't rely on a single payment method. Diversify your options. Accepting multiple forms of payment, from ACH transfers to credit cards, can make your business more flexible and accessible to a wider range of customers. So, to recap, can you Zelle with Relay Bank? No, not directly. But that doesn't mean you're out of options. Relay provides robust alternatives, and they offer a suite of business-focused tools that can actually enhance your financial management. And remember, the digital banking world is always changing, so keep an eye out for future updates. Think of it this way: Zelle is a great tool, but it's just one tool in the toolbox. Relay offers a whole set of tools designed specifically for small businesses, and they can help you build a stronger, more resilient financial foundation. And while the absence of Zelle might seem like a drawback initially, it can actually push you to explore other, potentially better, solutions. It forces you to think outside the box and find payment methods that are more tailored to your business needs. Ultimately, the best payment method is the one that works best for you and your business. Consider your needs, your clients' preferences, and the security of each option. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the right mix of payment methods that will help you thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.